doing well. Sorry. I'm just trying to share the live. If you can and if you want to, do share the live. Don't tell me now. All of a sudden I don't have. Okay, I see us now. Welcome in. All right, first question. You okay? Raymond's allergies is kicking today.
Yeah, it's allergic.
Okay. Oh, it doesn't look of that. It looks a little congested.
Oh, okay, yeah. Let me
on the screen.
Let me see.
Yeah, it looks like this.
Yeah.
All right. A company is moving to a hybrid cloud model. As a part of this move, the mail server will be moved to the cloud. The system administrator needs to ensure that the mail server continues to receive mail, which are the following type of DNS records should the system admin update. I think it's C. Yeah, I'm between C or A.
I'm coming. Let me just check something quick.
Okay. Welcome in, welcome in. Right? Lips is saying. Ah!
You start with saying what?
Lips 2323 says C.
C.
Mm-hmm.
We're trying to see.
MX.
Okay.
Alright. He's setting up something over there. But welcome in. If you just stopping by. Today is Tuesday, so Tuesday is Network Plus Day on our end here. But this is Tech Talk Women Sacco. Every day of the week is a different certification created for people breaking newly into IT. If you're already in IT and you plan on taking a certification, we ask that you stop on by, ask the questions, and answer the questions as well. Okay. The people in the chat range from people like me. I really don't know much about these things, to people who are no, you're so funny. But yeah, so welcome in. By the way, this is Raymond. That's all his certification up there, including 30 plus certifications, CSSP and AW, all his AW, not leave it alone, or AWS. All right, so what's the answer, please? Click here. Click here says A. Okay.
The answer is C.
C. Okay.
MX.
All right.
Right. The answer is C.
Okay.
So there's different types of DNS records, right?
Mm-hmm. No problem.
So we have mail record, we have name server, we have pointer, we have the A record, and each one of them is for a specific DNS.
Wait,
right?
which one is pointer?
The PTR.
And then which one was A?
D.
I'm sorry, which one was A? NS.
Name server.
Oh, okay.
So
right.
Name server mostly is the authorized DNS server, right? So if you buy, by default, if you buy your domain from GoDaddy, the name server will be GoDaddy by default, right? But you can change it, right? So that is it.
What else? Okay.
Yeah.
So the answer was C. The people coming in. Welcome
C.
in. If you're new here, every day
one.
of the week is a different certification. Okay, Liquid says, I just got my associates in IT and I'm on my second interview. Oh, congratulations. Good luck, and do come back and tell us when you get the job, okay? Good luck. Welcome in.
All right, let's go to
Well,
next
welcome
question.
in. This is Tech Talk Women Sacco. Every day of the week is a different certification. Yes, the answer was C. This is curated for people breaking newly into IT, or if you're already in IT and you're planning on taking a certification, stop on by, ask your questions, and answer the question as well, okay? There are highly educated people in the chat, and so if you're planning, especially in taking it, please do ask your questions. There's no such thing as a dumb question. Hi, Secre. So welcome in. All right, this is the next question.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Okay. Oh, by the way, this is Raymond. That's all his certifications up there, over 30 plus certification. Yes, it's a lot of certification, but it's a nerd with a very expensive habit. But you could check the certifications though, since somebody wants to know if it's expired or not.
Don't worry about the person. I'm sure you can block him.
No, you don't need to block him. I'm sure he's coming here to learn.
Block account. All right. So let's move on. I don't like waste of time.
I don't blame you.
All right. So let's go to the next one.
Which of the following would be violated if an employee accidentally deleted a customer's data? Ooh.
Which one do you think?
Hey, Manny. Which one would be violated if you accidentally deleted? I mean, it was an accident.
Yeah.
I don't know. I want to say C,
C.
but I don't know.
Vulnerability,
Hey, Pinky. Pinky's saying A.
which is integrity.
Yeah, that's very tricky for me. Oh, okay, majority saying A. So I'm going to stick with A then.
Okay. Oof.
Okay, what's the answer?
That's a little.
It's quite of a tricky question in my opinion.
It is.
Okay, what's the answer? What's the answer?
The answer would be D.
Oh, okay, Studio.
Yeah.
Hey, Pluto.
The answer would be D. So now it's saying that the employee accidentally deleted customers' data, right? The question didn't say they modified or falsified,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Yeah, integrity might be modifying or falsifying the document, right? So
Okay.
that is what integrity. However, if they deleted, it's no more available, right? So yeah, so
Okay.
it's a little tricky.
Hi,
A
Evelyn.
little
How are
tricky.
you?
But yeah, it would be D.
D.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's a
welcome
little
in.
tricky.
Yeah. All right. So the answer is D. We had. I think we had A, D.
And
Okay.
D.
No C.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
it, yeah.
All right. A and D. All right.
Oh,
So the answer was D.
Yes, that's D.
I hope it makes sense. It's okay. Studio's saying that if it's intentional, then it's integrity.
If it's
if they intentionally deleted it.
Let's think about this.
You are so too, Evelyn.
If it's intentional, then it's integrity.
Yeah. What you intentionally deleted it? Why are you saying
Integrity is modifying, making changes to existing information or data.
Right.
Right. So if it's intentional or not, deletion, I don't think it will make. If the employee modified the customer's address or social security or cost, right? Then
okay, William is saying that it might be more of a vulnerability in that case.
Vulnerability is weakness in a system.
Okay.
That is what vulnerability means.
But if it was intentionally done, that's what William is saying. That it would have been more of a vulnerability. CHD. Oh, Evelyn, we hope you are also. What do you call it? CDH says that normally data is highly available with most disaster recovery models, right?
True.
Okay, but I kind of anyway. I don't like this.
Yeah,
question. I don't like this question.
I don't think it would be integrity if it was deleted. I don't.
If it was intentional.
Yeah. Intentional. Yeah. I don't think so. Yeah.
I'm gonna do some research on it.
Yeah.
But I don't like this question, but anyway, I digress.
Okay.
Oh, thank you for asking. Well, Evelyn, our day is going well. Welcome in. As I do my preamble, this is Tech Talk Women's Soccer. Every day of the week is a different certification. It's curated for people breaking newly into IT, or if you're already in IT and you're planning on taking a certification, we ask that you stop on by, ask your questions, and answer the questions as well. In this space, it's supposed to be, again, an IT study room. So today being your Tuesday, today is Network Plus. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so Linux Plus. Thursday, Security Plus. Friday, Cloud Plus. Saturday, AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday, AZ 900. So in the event that you are planning on taking any of the certifications, again, don't hesitate to ask your questions, okay? All right, if you're not following, follow. Also, full video will be on YouTube. When is it on YouTube? Every day. All right, this is the next question. Okay. A company recently acquired a number of sites and no documentation was provided. A network administrator needs to identify and document all of the digital assets in use. Which of the following is the best method for the administrator to use? Okay, let me go click here. It says, have you heard of the tech group algorithm? They do a similar thing.
No.
Founders in Nigeria do. Really?
A similar thing as
A similar thing is what? Click here. Oh, really? They do. Okay, so they from Meta and Airbnb, they do a lot of partnerships. Really? Let me write it down. Never heard of it. I'm the note taker here. Oh, cool. And they do live as well.
And what specific
Oh, it's on LinkedIn and Facebook. Okay, I'm gonna check it out.
is there a specific technology or
It just says from they partner with a tons of they are on learning sessions with current FAANG employees.
okay.
So the
Okay,
Apples and
okay.
all those layers. Cool. I'm gonna check them out. Thanks for that. Okay, so we have D. Any other takers? It's a study group. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a study group. Now, last month we went over design data and cool. Yeah. I don't know.
So more of a software type of study group, right? Software development, is that it?
Oh, you have a new account? But see, here's the thing. If you're coming to learn, that's fine, right? But sometimes certain comments is not necessary. What it does is that it distracts the group, right? Probnix. So bring it in, though. Bring it in. Apologies for the block, okay? Good luck. Oh, of course. No, thank you. I'm going to check it out. Click here. All right, so we have network D. We have network discovery.
Okay, so that is it. So it's saying how many? So we just have one, right?
Yeah, it's just one
D.
answer so far.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, I think there was only one D.
Yeah, so they are trying to. Okay. So they acquired a new site, and there's no documentation that was provided. A network administrator needs to identify the document all the digital assets, right? So the best option is to use the network discovery, right? So there's so many tools out there. Nmap as well is ideal tool for that. I think Nessus also have a tool for that.
I think Nexus?
Nessus.
Okay.
I think Angry IP scanner, right? So there's there's other tools that you can use, right? So once a simple example is the Nmap, right? So you want Nmap and then not pipe, and then add the IP address. It would or the subnet is going to scan the entire network and then gives you the devices or the live devices that is on the network.
Gotcha. William is saying that the keyword is digital and Probex. Okay. I got you. Okay.
Right.
But next time, some comments are not necessary.
So
all right.
AP.
Okay. So the answer is what? D. Oh. Wait. Hi, Reboot. Did you change your name? I mean, it's the same name, but you changed how it's spelled, right? Okay. Reboot is saying, can you explain the rest of the answers?
Okay. So I mean, C. I think C is self-explanatory.
No, it's not.
Physical inventory. So now, what they are saying is walk into the building and start counting the number of devices that are there.
Oh, that's what it means?
Yeah, physical inventory. Right? Packet capture. Packet capture is a simple example would be using Wireshark, right? So basically monitoring and capturing anything that is going in and out of a network, right? It can be a network, can be a specific device, right? A is monitoring, right? Availability monitoring, so just regular monitoring of the system, right? It wouldn't give you the information that you need here.
Okay.
Right? So yeah, performing a network discovery would
do it.
Would do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, Ken.
Okay. So let's see.
All right. Well, in the end of the day, you have to do all of them. Oh, William is saying.
Okay.
Well, in the end, you have to do all of them. Okay.
You have
Got
to
it.
do all of them. What does that mean?
Oh. William, can you explain?
But
wait, what is William trying to say?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure if it's pertaining to this requirement, right?
Okay.
This requirement deal will be the answer, right? However, if it's just a general IT task, then you may or may not perform some of these tasks, right?
Okay.
Some companies wouldn't deal with packet capture, right?
Okay.
So yeah, it depends.
Got it. William, I hope that makes sense. I feel like TikTok is lagging. Do you want to start over?
What is it?
I feel like all
Yeah.
right. William is saying that you check the traffic, then expand your information with the physical information. William, I'm so lost. But welcome in.
Hi.
As William is talking.
Started real quick.
Yeah. Wait, William, hold on one second. TikTok is lagging.
Yeah.
Give us like more detail. Okay, give us like 2 seconds. We're gonna restart and come right back. It's lagging for some reason.
Alright,
I'm telling you, TikTok don't want us to be great.
okay, let's start.
Evelyn, no, you're not the only person talking.
Yeah,
It's
we
just
have
multiple screens
yeah.
with Facebook, Instagram, on not Facebook, TikTok,
yeah,
and
TikTok.
and then Facebook
And
is on, so it's like YouTube. Sorry.
Alright, so let's start.
Alright, let's go back again.
Okay, go.
You have to write the person's name down.
Okay.
All right, we're
we
back.
back?
We're back.
Okay, good.
Okay, wait. The people are not back yet.
Alright. I mean, you have the same question here.
Okay,
I
good.
was looking for the next question. Okay.
Okay, why you do that? Welcome in. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Oh, no need to be sorry. Welcome back. Welcome back. Apologies. TikTok is acting up. Hi, Naneo. Hi. Now it's better. At first, I didn't see it in all of this.
Which one?
When the names was
Okay,
popping up,
okay.
I didn't see anything anymore. Yeah. Welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome in. All right. We had to restart quickly. TikTok was lagging a little bit, but welcome in. All right, so today's Tuesday, so Tuesday is Network Plus. Tomorrow, Wednesday, 8:30 Eastern Time is going to be Linux Plus. Thursday, Security Plus. So again, this is supposed to be an IT study room, right? It's curated for people breaking newly into IT, or if you're already in IT and you're planning on taking a certification, we actually stop on by, ask your questions, and answer the questions as well, okay? So this is all that is about. This is Raymond. That's all his certifications up there. So, I only mentioned that just to show you that you're in the right place at the right time. All right.
Go to the next question.
Wait.
Okay.
What's his name was saying something before he comes back.
Oh yeah.
William.
Yeah. Okay. So perform physical inventory as well.
William, are you back yet? I don't think William is back. Okay. When William comes back, I'll tell you to bring the questions back. Okay.
All right. So let me.
But nobody else has answered the question at the moment, so I'm assuming William is not even back yet.
Okay.
Team.
All right.
So you can leave it on for a little bit.
Leave it on? Okay.
Just a few minutes or so.
Okay. Let me try to.
I mean, you can take a guess at the questions, Evelyn. Are you planning on taking IT?
You can do a process of elimination as well.
William is back.
Okay.
Okay, so Miss NMA says, I did this in a previous job, and the first thing we did was physical inventory. Oh, good. That's insightful, actually. Is it, what does it depend? Does this question depend on the job that the person holds?
Yeah, because, and I think, and that's what someone mentioned. The question is saying that what? A digital asset.
Oh.
Right? Digital asset.
So if it's digital, you can't physically go in there and do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that is the keyword. Yeah, I think someone mentioned that.
I think it was William, or if it wasn't William, it was Reboot. I don't know if Reboot is back. Okay. So William is saying no. I understood it from a network administrator. So D is the only answer. Okay.
Yeah, it's a little confusing.
Yeah. No, Miss not if Miss NMA. If you didn't say it like that, I would have got confused.
Yeah.
But welcome in. All right.
Yeah, then that's the keyword here.
Digital
right?
asset. Yeah. Yes. Hey, Amir. Yes, it's
Yes,
D. Hey, PhD. How are you? We took a little VK. Not really. We just needed some days off. Well, how are you? Welcome back. Welcome back. All right, next question, please.
Okay.
Tomorrow, 8:30 Eastern Time is Linux. If you're planning on... Let me move it. Sorry. If you're planning on getting into IT, apparently Linux is highly necessary. So please stop on by and see how Linux is done if you are planning on taking the CompTIA. Is there any other Linux exam besides CompTIA?
There's a lot.
Oh,
There's
really?
a lot. Yep.
So, but CompTIA is widely known because it's vendor neutral.
Yeah, and
yay! Congratulations! Good for you.
Nice. How was it though?
Yeah, how was it? Oh, that's so awesome.
Is there any is there specific certification, or do you just have a general certification? Is there one specific one? Because I haven't looked into next certification.
I'm so curious. What's next? It was overwhelming. I bet. But you passed. Hey, David. Okay, a user called the help desk asking business hours to complain that files on a device are inaccessible and the wallpaper was changed. The network administrator thinks that the issue is an isolated incident, but the security analyst thinks the issue might be ransomware attack, which are the following troubleshooting steps might be taken first. This feels like this seems like a question that one shouldn't pay attention to. So,
what do you mean?
Like, it's like if you're calling to help this to complain about wallpaper being changed, to me that's dumb.
It's not. I mean, remember, if you said you call in to say that a wallpaper has changed, right? Because there's different type of client, right? You can have internal clients and external clients as well, right? So I don't know. Let's say your manager or the CEO of the company said, "Hey, I don't like this background or wallpaper, right? I have a picture of my family that I use as a wallpaper, right?
Okay.
So can you change it?" It's not a dumb request, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So and this is part of the CompTIA's troubleshooting methodology as well.
Okay. All right. So we have it's between C, D, A. Nobody said B, so I know for sure it's not B. All right. So what's the answer?
Okay.
David is.
So we have C document. We have D, which is create a plan. All right. And then C. Okay. So I would go for A.
A.
I'll go for A.
That's a lot of more D's than
I know.
Hey, rude boy.
I know.
Okay.
So, all right. So with the CompTIA troubleshooting methodology or steps, right? The first step is to identify the problem, right?
I hear this methodology thing a bit too much.
So now they are saying that a user called, right? And they are saying the wallpaper, the security analyst is saying that it might be a ransomware attack, right? So the first step is to identify what is going on.
Yeah.
Right. So it is just assumption that the desktop or help desk and the security analysts are just thinking, right? They haven't actually seen that the issue is is happening, right?
Okay.
A simple example is a customer calls and say, "Hey, I'm unable to access the internet," right? So I would say that it might be the user's Wi-Fi, right?
Okay.
It might be the user is typing the wrong address or domain or URL, right? So I'm just making things up in my head.
Oh, I see.
But the first thing I have to do is identify what the problem is. The problem even there? That should be the first step,
right?
Okay,
and that's what they're saying. The PhD, everybody, the people that say identifying the problem creates a plan of action, troubleshoot and fix it, and then document the things that should go. Ruboy is also saying the plan of action comes into play once the issue has been determined.
Okay.
Yabify?
But has it been determined? Was it rude going for? Which one did he select?
He said A.
Okay.
Yeah, first, understand the problem is key because maybe there's a documentation about the same problem. Oh, that's good. That was a good one, actually. Okay. Well, so the answer was
A.
The answer was A. Identifying the problem. There was a lot of D. But I guess that makes sense as to you have to identify the problem before you create an action plan.
Yep.
And so, if one is taking the exam, right, and this troubleshooting methodology for networking plus specifically,
I think it comes in in A plus as well.
A plus. Okay. So now they have to study the network. The troubleshooting methodology.
Yes.
When they're studying that, how does that look?
So it's 8 steps. I don't remember on top of my head, so let me try to bring it up. CompTIA.
Oh, he's gonna bring it up so we can see. But welcome in. Okay. Wait, Booz is saying something. Or did Eric say something? Okay. Eric is saying, imagine your org has predefined wallpaper. Do they do that? Oh, do they?
All right. Let me.
Oh, he's gonna bring the troubleshooting methodology up. But welcome in. This is Tech Talk with Sako. Every day of the week is a different certification. It's curated for people breaking newly into IT, or if you're already in IT already and you're planning on taking a certification. We ask that you stop on by, ask your questions, and answer the questions as well. Okay. There's no such thing as a dumb question in this side of town. All I ask is that you're respectful to the people in the chat and to us here. Other than that, I will block you. I try not to block people, but Yeah,
so this is okay. So this is what this is the
okay, Evelyn.
the steps, right? The troubleshooting methodology.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the first step is what is to identify the problem, right? So if a customer calls and say that, hey, I'm having an issue, right? You have to validate. Don't trust the customer, right?
Okay.
So you identify the problem, and once you identify the problem, so the internet is not working, right? And then now you establish a theory of what probable cause. What might be what the reason why the user is not unable to connect to the internet, right? It might be the Wi-Fi, it might be what the URL, right?
Okay.
And then now you list all the theory that you have in mind. The next step is what is to test the theory to determine the cause, right? What causes that to happen, right?
This is the same steps that scientists use, if I'm not mistaken, to
document.
Really? I think so. I think I remember something
Exact
like this.
same thing?
It may not be the same, but the same steps. You draw a hypothesis, test the hypothesis.
Okay,
same type of thing, I think.
I mean, it's the same methodology,
right?
But I didn't think it should be the exact same thing.
All right.
Like,
Angel is saying some companies have predefined wallpapers. Oh, interesting. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, they do.
Okay. Blue said that they do, especially for shared devices. Got it. Okay.
So establish a theory of probable cause, and then now you test the theory, right? So you're saying the first one was a Wi-Fi issue, right? So test it, right? Is the user connected to Wi-Fi, right? If they are not connected to Wi-Fi, then that might be what the issue, right?
Okay.
If they are connected to the internet, then go to the next theory, which will be are they typing the right URL?
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So that is it.
Okay.
And then now once you identify
Yeah.
test those theory, the next step is what is to establish a plan of action. How are you going to what are the plan on fixing this problem, right?
Okay.
Some of the problem you might have to go buy something from the store to fix it, right? So you have to have a plan in place.
Okay.
And then implement, right? So establish a plan and then implement the solution. The fifth step is to verify full functionality, right? Once it's fixed, you have to verify that. I think we had a question yesterday about verifying.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have to verify that the system is working, right? And then the last step will be to document, right?
The action.
So that is
Agreed. Rude Boy and Bose was basically saying that this is definitely is used across different fields of work. It's just good problem solving skills. A plus. Reboot is saying A plus is a lot of studying, 2 exams before you have the certifications. 2 exams, 1 cert. Yeah. Problem solving mindset. Agreed. Okay. Next question, please. Welcome in. If you're not following, follow. Every day of the week is a different certification curated for people breaking newly into IT or already in IT and planning on taking a certification. We ask that you stop on by, ask your questions, and answer the questions as well. You have the screen on, by the way.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So this is Raymond. I am Jennifer. Raymond has over 30 plus certification, including all his AWS certifications, CISSP, and all those ones up there. The problem is he's a nerd with a very expensive hobby, hence why all those certifications. Is he going to stop anytime soon? I highly doubt it.
All right.
But welcome in. If you're not following, follow. Booz is asking, Raymond, are you a trainer or just work in the space? Are you a trainer? Wait. Let me give you the resume, if I may.
Anyways.
So Raymond likes to over-explain, but Raymond actually he used to teach. He used to be a professor.
I used to teach when I was like since I was like 5 years old.
Okay.
Anyway.
All right. Don't let the internet go find you. No, he was not. But anyway, he used to teach in Monroe University in New Rochelle. As adjunct professor for IT. But yes, he's in the field. Been in the field for quite a while, actually. But yeah.
So you can call me hybrid. No?
No, that's a bad joke. What? Rude Boy would like to borrow some certifications from you.
Wow.
A network administrator are using the Telnet protocol to administer network devices that are on the 192.168.1.0/24 subnet. Which of the following tools should the administrator use to best identify the devices? Boo says, good for you. And he's always learning, Booze. I should show you. I'm telling you, one of these days, I'm going to show you the library. That you actually see, there's a lot of books. And it's not those nice ones either. It's those textbook ones with no pictures. Some actually are diverse. Some of them might have pictures, but it's not the nice pictures. It's the lines. Okay, we have, HP, PhD says NMAP. NMAP, is it B? Is it B? Is it B?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
It is time up.
Oh, you're bringing something up?
Yeah, I'm going to hide this in a few.
You have to make it quick. TikTok will block us. You didn't do it here.
Yeah, let me try to do it now.
Okay.
Do we get any other answer options?
No. Okay. We have B and map, and then we have D telnet.
Okay.
But there's only one D. All right, so he brings it up. Welcome in. If you're not following, follow. Tomorrow, 8:30 Eastern Time is going to be Linux Plus. Okay, so if you're planning on taking that certification, do stop on by. Hi, Miss Ford. How are you? Angel says, it's good. Leave the full names of these things because it helps discern them. Nmap. Oh, I see. But on the exam, it's not going to give you the full name, Angel. That's the problem.
Yeah, and then once you start working in the...
But I get where he's coming from. If somebody's new to the field...
I mean,
it
remember,
might need to be spelled out.
It's not really.
Oh, really?
And one of the things that you have to also, I mean, I think it's in every job field, right? Those 3-letter acronyms.
I know, it has been a minute for it.
3-letter acronyms, right?
Yeah.
So you have to know them. It's part of the job, right?
Yeah.
Is it EKG? Is that EKG?
Yes, EKG.
Right? So they're not going to mention the entire, right? You don't even remember the actual full name, right?
Yeah.
But now you know what EKG is, right?
Yeah.
So you just
or
have
like,
to know.
CAT scan or
You just have to know. It's part of it. It's part of it, right?
Unfortunately, I've been sitting here for the past couple of months and everything is an acronym with these guys. What's the answer?
Yeah, the answer would be NMAP.
NMAP?
Right, NMAP.
Okay. There seems to be kind of between, majority said B, but there was a D in there, but there wasn't, I think most people said B because it was the better answer though, but can you explain if possible?
So now it's saying that they want to, the network administrator, they want to identify devices that are using Telnet. Okay. Right. And this is the network. Right, so the right tool to use the word is Nmap. Right? Okay. So you use Nmap space -P. I'm going to show it here in a few. Okay. And then the subnet or the IP, right? So it's going to go through the whole subnet and then tell you what protocol that device is using. Okay. So if you do -P, which means you want to specify what the port, right? So you can specify. Do you remember what Telnet the port number for Telnet?
Oh wait, 22.
23.
23
is SSH, right?
Oh,
22.
Okay,
SS,
okay,
right?
okay.
So
that's close.
So Nmap would be what the ideal.
Thanks, Booze.
The ideal to use, right? So let me just
wait. But Angel's point is saying that. So Angel is breaking newly into the IT field. Okay. So which is why he was trying to get at is that if for the new people. In some cases, Booze, I think what he'll do, not Booze, I'm sorry, Booze is experiencing this. Angel, I think what he'll do is that in the event that these comes up, don't hesitate to ask your question. If you don't know what the acronym stands for, just ask it. Okay, so then he can either put it in the parentheses so you see it, but definitely if you're taking the exam, it's not gonna come up as network. What was it again? NMAP as well.
NMAP, network map.
Network map.
Yes, I mean I think I can start putting there.
Yeah,
right? You're right.
Just for the
okay,
newbies
we'll
as
try
well.
to do that.
It'll help.
So
hey, Lewis.
Lewis
is asking, is it similar to LLDP? What is that?
I don't remember the full acronym. Link. So basically, it's a protocol on switches, routers, right? So basically, it identify the neighbors that you are connected to, right? So with LLDP, I think
is that LDAP?
No.
Oh.
Cisco specifically, specifically has CDP, Cisco Discovery Protocol. Yeah, so when you type show CDP neighbor, right, on a Cisco device, it's going to tell you the devices that are connected to that specific switch, right? So it's similar in a way, but Nmap takes it to the next level, right? It's not your neighbor that you are connected to, right? Okay. It's the entire network, but it works similar.
Okay.
Right? It works similar.
Look at you, Lewis.
Yeah.
It's never too late, Lewis. It's never too late.
Link. Okay, good. Link layer discovery protocol. Good.
Oh, that's what the
LL.
Okay.
Yeah.
Link layer. I never heard of it. LODP.
Yeah, and then Cisco has CDP, Cisco Discovery Protocol.
Got it. Were you gonna show something? You said you were gonna show something.
Oh yes, let's do Nmap. Let's do Nmap real quick.
I see him going to the next question.
Let's do Nmap real quick.
But if you're just popping in, the answer was Nmap, but he's going to show why is Nmap, right?
Yeah.
But if you're not following, follow. Tomorrow 8:30 Eastern time. We are on Linux Plus. Oh, okay. As for this accent, LDAP is authentication protocol, right?
Yes. Someone said lightweight directory access protocol. Right? Someone. No. Okay. So yeah, you're right. It is.
Lewis. Well, yeah, Lewis is on YouTube. So when I say Lewis, he's on YouTube.
All right. So Nmap, right? So let me try to use Nmap, right? And let me do. Who am I? Do you remember who am I?
Yes, that was a question from yesterday. I don't remember what the question was, but I know it was a question from yesterday.
It tells you the currently logging user, right? So yeah, I'm Ray, obviously. But anyways, so let's try Nmap, right?
I don't think I would have missed it. The thing was TikTok.
So the question is saying that they have a subnet, right? Yeah, they have a subnet, and you have to identify which devices is using Telnet, right? So now, in order for I can't use the same IP address that they have there.
Can you bring the question down a little bit so the people can see it?
Yeah.
Or cover our faces?
No problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that helps.
And then move this. And then move this one too.
Yeah, just updating. They can see the question.
No problem. Let's do that.
All right.
And then just bring it back.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So yeah. So you have a list of a subnet, right? That you need to verify what devices are using Telnet, right? I was saying that I couldn't use this IP address that they are talking about, right? However, I think I'm on the same network, actually. I have the same network. So let me do ifconfig. Oh, IP addr. ADDR. Right, it tells me my IP address. So yeah, actually I'm on. Yeah, I'm on the same network actually, like similar to the question, right? So now I can use what? I can type Nmap, right? And
Abu says
.0. Right.
Light directory authentication protocol.
Yeah, lightweight.
Complete guess.
Yeah, lightweight. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Directory access protocol. No. It's access protocol. Yeah, I don't think it's authentication. It's access protocol.
Access.
Lightweight access protocol. ACCESS.
Oh, access. Okay.
Yeah, if you can validate that, I think. Yeah. Okay.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now /what? 24, right? So that is a subnet, right? So it's going to go through my entire network to see what what port I have open, right? So let me see. Since they mentioned port 23 specifically, let's try to do that. Let's
question?
The question.
They didn't say no 23.
Telnet.
Oh.
Right? So dash P and then 23.
Okay.
And then press enter. And map. Okay, so I typed and map right here. Press enter. So it's scanning the whole subnet to identify devices that have port 23 enabled. There you go. Right? Oh, I have a few. Right?
Is that bad?
Nah, not really.
Oh.
Right? So I have this one that is using what 23.
It's a lot of devices.
I know, right? So that's the whole point, right?
Mm-hmm.
So once you type the command, it tells you. Yeah, sometimes you just need to know what unsecure protocol are being used, right? So Nmap is a perfect tool to do that, right?
Okay.
And if you are in security and you're doing some sort of vulnerability management in a way, yeah, you might have to use this tool, right? I mean, I think Nessus has a great it's a great platform for that as well. But yeah,
Nessus. Okay.
Nessus. Tenable. It's now called Tenable.
Okay.
Tenable Nessus. All right.
Hey, Chocolate. How are ya?
Back.
Welcome in. This is Tech Talk Women's Talk, where every day of the week is a different certification. Curated for people breaking newly into IT. Today is Tuesday, so Tuesday is Network Plus. Wednesday, tomorrow, 8:30 Eastern Time, is going to be Linux Plus. We missed you too. Thursday, Security Plus. Friday, Cloud Plus. Saturday, AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday, AZ 900. And then Monday, CompTIA Plus. Tuesday, Network Plus. Okay. So again, this is just curated for people breaking newly into IT, or if you're already in IT and planning on taking a certification, don't hesitate to ask your questions. There's highly knowledgeable people in the chat. Okay. Don't let them bully you. Ask your questions away. All right. Next question.
Yeah.
How was your time off, Miss Chocolate? We took a week off too. It wasn't like a week. It was like a couple of days. It got a little busy. What else?
Okay.
I don't want to say my preamble again because I already said it. But if you're not following, follow. Tomorrow, 8:30 Eastern Time, Linux Plus.
Okay.
All right. A user at a satellite office are experiencing issues when using video conferencing. Which of the following should a technician focus on first to rectify these issues? Oh, do tell. It sounds exciting. I'm hoping you got a better job or increase in your role. Quality of this answer choices. I was waiting for y'all to answer so I could say something. But okay, it's between A and B. A, okay. But can one argue quality of service and network signal? Does it go hand in hand? No?
Quality of service, network signal.
Because wouldn't the network signal affect the quality of service? No?
I mean,
am I thinking it's a customer service?
I mean, yeah.
Okay.
In this context, it wouldn't.
Okay.
Right? If you see, quality of service in generic terms, right, making the signal better would help with quality of service. But in this context, no.
Okay. All right. What's the answer? Oh, Booz is saying quality of service is an abstract of network availability. Okay.
All right. Not really. Okay. Not really. Okay.
Though, yeah. What's the answer?
All right. So it will be A. Right.
Okay.
Quality of service. Right.
Okay.
So, so now when it comes to network traffic, right?
Okay.
Network traffic. Some of the traffics are fragile.
Okay.
Right? Example is phone calls.
Okay, I
Right.
think that's what Yabify is saying. The quality of service allows you to prioritize
Prioritize.
time-sensitive traffic.
There you go, right?
Okay.
And then video conferencing as well, right?
Okay.
So anything real time,
It's considered sensitive.
exactly.
Okay.
Right? If you are downloading a file and it takes 30 minutes, it might be a little annoying, but that is fine, right?
Okay.
However, if you're making a call,
And it's lagging.
exactly, it's
Okay.
annoying, right?
Okay.
Or video conference, right?
Okay.
Right? In the middle of firing someone and then, right?
Okay.
Anyways, but yeah, might
Okay.
not be. So
Yeah. Okay. Why not be?
So, B is saying network signal,
Mm-hmm.
right? Which of the following should a technician focus on first to
Rectify.
Okay, so so I think that the keyword here is first, right?
Mm-hmm.
Increasing the network signal would also help.
It never said
Right.
increase. Why are you saying increase?
Exactly, too, right? It didn't say increase. I mean, fixing the network signal.
Mm-hmm. They are related.
Satellite office.
Okay.
No,
Are you stumped with the question?
no. The answer is A. The answer is A.
I mean,
but
I
I'm
understand
trying
that,
to-
but I want you to explain B too.
Network signal. Increasing the network signal might help, right? But that wouldn't be the first thing. And it might be that there are other devices or other users that are overusing the network,
Okay.
right? So even if you increase the signal, right, the user might still have issue with the conferencing, right? However, if you set up a quality of service, right, it doesn't matter if someone is downloading a file or not, the video conferencing will be prioritized.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Yeah.
The boost is saying better network signals will increase the quality of service most of the time. And then, so no way, I was right. And then Boost is saying, it just isn't the first item that you do. And then Miss Ford is saying, what happened to the layer 1 LOL troubleshooting?
I mean, troubleshooting. So, which answer option is that?
Which one did you pick, Miss Ford? And then Yabify is saying a weak network signal can cause problems. Is usually a physical or environmental issue, right? And then Booz is saying that there might be some other issues as well. And then none. PhD is saying I would think that if there were a video conferencing issue, then it's a signal issue, right?
Not really.
And Miss Emma is saying possibly a multicast issue.
It might. I mean, it may not be signal or network signal issues, right?
Okay.
However, there might be a user downloading a huge file, right? So if even you fix the signal and the user is still downloading the file, it's still going to affect this video conference user.
Okay.
Right? So setting up QoS will prioritize their video call over someone downloading a file.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So now how does QoS work? I think that might be beneficial to understand how does QoS work. Booz is saying that you use the levels to determine where to start. Level 1 isn't likely here because connection exists. So PhD gets it now, but I don't get it. But not like I need it, but I'm still curious.
Yeah. I'll come back to Booz in a few.
Okay, but can you explain how does the quality of service work? Do you, as a technician, you go in and prioritize all video related stuff over what is it that you just said, files and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so how does that work? Like you don't have to physically show me, but can you walk me through it?
I mean, you log into your router or your firewall and then set up QoS, right?
Oh, okay.
So you can now select different services.
Okay.
Right? You can select let's say
Zoom.
phone calls, or there you go, Zoom.
Okay.
Zoom, Teams, right? You can select all these services. So now if someone is using Zoom and someone is downloading, right? The Zoom will take priority versus someone that is downloading a file.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Yabify is saying that most video apps use unicast, not multicast. QoS is prioritized first to stop background traffic. Okay. He was answering Miss Nam. Thank you, Yabify. And then F Studio is saying that depending on the job and where you need to prioritize. So that's how the QoS is set up. Booz, I'm curious too. Yabify, what do you do? Do tell us. Do tell us. Brag about yourself a little bit.
Right.
Okay. But PhD says she. Are you sure? I'm still confused, but if you get it, I'm just gonna let it go. But okay. You said you were gonna get back to Booze later about what?
Yes. Okay. So Booz is saying that
It's hot in
you use the levels to determine where to start. Level 1 isn't likely
Here because of connection. Connection exists.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking we're talking about the
It was talking about Miss Ford when Miss Ford said
the
level
OSI
1.
model, right?
All right, we have to do the OSI model.
So yeah, the OSI model, right? So OSI model is perfect for troubleshooting, right?
Okay.
And it tells you, I mean, it gives you a layer approach in troubleshooting. However, you don't really have to start from layer 1, right?
Okay.
You don't always have to start from layer 1.
I'm sure Booze knows that.
Yeah, I mean not just Booz, but
Oh, okay.
So now you can either start from layer 1 or the top layer. My go-to approach is divide and conquer. Okay. Meaning start from the middle.
No problem, PhD.
Right? So now once you start from the middle, let's say the network layer, right? Verify that, okay, the network is established, right? So now I don't need to worry about the lower layer of the below network.
Okay.
I now have to worry about the upper layer. If there's issue with the network, then I'll concentrate on the lower layer, right? But anyways, let's go to
that was for the people that we don't have experience. Booz is saying, oh, okay, Yapify is a network and security engineer student.
Oh, student, okay.
You're a student. Check you out. You are learning very
I mean, some students
are better than professors.
Some students are.
They actually taking the time to actually learn. So good for you.
Probably some students are still in the job field.
Oh, are you in the job field too? You're speaking like with somebody like you have a lot of experience. Oh, working as an IT support and learning for certs. Oh, what certs are you trying to take? And is it necessary for you to take it? That's the question. Oh, you're learning for CCNA. You learn for CCNA?
Okay.
You love networking?
Good.
It looks like you're in the right framework. Unplug the router. Studio.
Always works.
Oh, you're like the almost CCNA is repeating this week. He might as well add it to the list.
It is.
A few people wanted him to do CCNA part of the list, but there wasn't. Yeah. Oh, you're working in CSSP and decided to. I was working in CS and decided to move to software dev. Oh, really? Oh, wow. Well, I'm glad. Welcome in then.
I don't like the governance. But who does governance? Is it Miss Ford, right?
Yes, Miss Ford. What if Miss Ford didn't want people to know that she does governance?
I think she wants people to know that she's doing AI governance. But that's an interesting field, though, AI governance.
Well, you don't like Booz doesn't like the governance part. That's interesting. Oh, do you work in IT? Yeah, he said he works at as a. He said it before, I think. Network and something, right?
Yeah.
IT support.
Okay.
IT support, and he's learning for certification. So you want to take your networking certification, Yapify? And what is the path for you? Are you you're in school already? They cover certification. Are you in the school in the States? In the US? Hopefully make sure they cover all of the certifications before you graduate, okay? That's the next question, right? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna read the next question. A security administrator my phone is dying. A security administrator wants to discover 0-day attacks before they can be used on a company's network. Which of the following Which of the
wait.
All right. Which of the following can the administrator use to accomplish the attacks? Oh, you live in Belgium.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Interesting.
We have some serious students in Belgium then.
Actually, school. I know in the States they do. You been Miss Ford? I wouldn't doubt if you've been. You seem like you travel. You do Antwerp. Okay. I only stop in. Where did I stop in Germany? I forgot where. Oh, military. You in the military? Miss Ford, I feel like I learn new things about you every day. But please do ask. Oh, that guy. Are you? Oh, your husband. Okay. Got it. I read the question right.
Yeah, you did.
Okay.
Well, no answer yet. This is a little tricky of a question, but
I think somebody answered. Go back.
Or someone did?
Yeah. But we were talking. See, Miss Chocolate said B.
A B, okay.
Lip said B as well. I'm glad. It's kind of interesting to see that networking and IT is kind of unified across the continent. Isn't it? Because if sometimes you get people from different places, they know the answer, they're doing well in the field, they know the things, so it doesn't seem like you have to learn a different language, so to speak.
Why are you saying networking specifically?
I'm talking about IT in general.
Exactly.
In general,
right? Because remember, when you are into IT, right? The devices that you are using, right, is from a specific vendor.
Okay.
You don't make up your own stuff.
Okay.
Right? So now there are standards and rules that these vendors have to follow. Right? So yeah, so it makes it universal.
Okay.
Right?
It's very different per country. What's the answer, by the way?
So the answer will be B.
B. Okay.
Honeypot.
You got it right in there, Lewis. Okay, so we had B. So
yeah, so 0 day, right? So let's explain 0 day real quick. So I know some people might know what 0 day is.
Some of us
may not, right? So 0 day is basically a vulnerability in a system that is not publicly known, or a vulnerability that is in a system that the vendor doesn't know about.
It's okay. Yeah, before we were talking too much.
Right. So that is it, right? So in order for an administrator or system security administrator to see these vulnerabilities, right? They have to set up a honeypot.
Okay.
Right. So honeypot is basically a baiting area, bait.
Okay.
Bait, right?
BAIT.
Yeah, baiting area that hackers would just deceive attackers to hack.
Okay.
Right? So yeah, so they make it unsecured, and they would have fictional files in there which is not real, right? They might have social security number file, right? So you might think that it's
reverse engineering.
It's a legit website that you hacked, right? So now, as part of the hacker hacking your system, right? They'll perform some sort of techniques and use some sort of tools and all that, right? So that will help the security administrator discover what is happening on the honeypot. Right?
Okay.
So yeah, so that is the best option.
So the answer was
here.
B. Okay. Ms. Ford did say something about reverse engineering, the same concept. Okay. Then they allow you to develop defense before the exploit it using the actual production, and then hence the name honeypot. Booz is saying you should reverse engineer the attack payload for sure.
There you go.
Go back. Booz said something earlier about IT and I missed it. Okay, right there. Networking is used all over IT in general. You have to know how the communication happens, so it's universal. Good for the IT lovers then. I guess you could get a job anywhere. Hence why everybody and their mother wants to get an IT. I'm not there yet. I haven't caught the IT love bug. All right, next question. Welcome in. Oh, I haven't done my preamble. Welcome in. This is Tech Talk with Sacco. Every day of the week is a different certification curated for people breaking newly into IT, or if you're already in IT and you're planning on taking a certification, welcome back. You only missed like one question. Today is Tuesday, so Tuesday is Network Plus. Wednesday is Linux Plus. Thursday, wait a minute. Is there any, in the networking exam, is there any Linux questions?
Oh, I think they might. They might.
Oh.
So, there is. Because some of these commands that they
just for fun.
Yeah, the commands that they ask you, right? Like the trace route and all these commands, right? We have the Linux version and the Windows version as well.
Okay.
Right. So if they ask you a question, how would you identify the different routers between a specific source and destination, right?
Okay.
Trace route is the answer, right? However, in Windows, trace route is trace RT. In Linux, is trace route.
I think that was yesterday. You did
exactly.
something like that.
So
right?
if you don't know that trace route is an actual command in Linux, you might get the answer wrong, right? But so it's not that much of Linux question, but a few commands here and there.
Okay, reason I was asking because we keep telling people, you keep telling me to tell people that if they're breaking you into IT to do the whole A plus Network plus the Linux plus, but if Network plus has Linux questions, then the format has to change.
No.
Okay.
No.
Right.
The Network plus just give you some sort of introduction to Linux.
Okay.
So now once you get to Linux, you have some sort of knowledge of
got it. Introduction of it. Got it.
So no, that is it.
Booze, if the question was for me, to be honest, I'm just here to chit chat. If he's asking for do I plan on taking the certification or am I here for fun? So what happened was, if I'm not here, if we're not doing this, he's trying to teach me, and clearly the interest level is not all the way there for this level of field. So that's why I'm here, and I was supposed to just be here for a short amount of time, but it's becoming a permanent gig. CD. What does CD mean? He's asking me. I'm still thinking he's asking me. I don't remember. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, thanks, Mrs. Ford. Yabify is saying, what's the answer? Sorry, I didn't read the question. Which of the following is the correct order of components in the bottom-up approach for the 3-tiered hierarchy model?
Yeah, this
what
is
that?
A vague of a question, though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they should have 4. Yeah.
No, booze. I don't enjoy this at all. I'm not gonna. I actually do like A plus. I do like A plus. I'm pretty much like except for Linux. Like the day I get Linux, you all are going to hear a lot from me.
3-tier hierarchy model. So I just added network here.
Oh, okay. This question, a lot of people don't like this question.
Yeah, no, that is true. And I think this is the first time I've seen this in.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but I know it from Cisco. This is Cisco. I don't want to say Cisco specific, but I learned it from the CCNA.
From CCNA?
Yeah, CCNA. Yeah.
Oh, you have CCNA?
Yeah.
Oh. Sorry. So why are we not teaching the people then? Oh, it's not beginner friendly.
No, it's not.
Oh, yeah. Okay. All right, we have to teach you.
No,
I didn't say you didn't. I just didn't realize. I'm sorry. All right. Please explain. What's the answer? I'll be right back.
Okay,
What's
so
the
3. The answer would be the A, the access, distribution, and call. So now with as I mentioned, I learned this from Cisco CCNA specifically. So I'm not too sure if Cisco is the one that brought this type of hierarchy, but yeah. So if you are building a network, right, what they recommend is to have 3 layers, right? So you have your core layer, which is core devices or routers that are on top, and most of the time it's expensive routers. And then the next layer is distribution layer, and then the last layer will be access layer. So access layer is where end users connect to, right? So the switches that the end user connects to, right? So let me try to see if I can find an image or a picture of that. Cisco 3-tier model. That's it. Visuals would help you. Images and network. Cisco network.
What was the answer?
Cisco network.
Oh, yeah, before I saying A. Oh, okay.
Images. There you go. Perfect.
Okay. Ms. Ford said, I assume this only because it applies to Cisco devices. So this is Cisco specific.
No, I mean,
that's what you said earlier.
No,
right?
That is where I learned this specifically from. But
Okay.
I don't think it's. I mean, Cisco might be the guys that brought this up. However, it's widely used now, so I wouldn't say.
Okay. Most is combined. Okay. Because I was gonna say that one of the things that we keep talking about here is how CompTIA is vendor specific. Vendor neutral. So if that's the case, then they shouldn't just point just for Cisco.
I mean, okay. I mean, I think some of them have adopted that as well. Let me.
Okay. Welcome in. If you're not following, follow. Tomorrow, 8:30.
Oh, hi.
8:30 Eastern time. It's going to be Linux Plus. Booz would like to know, what distro are you running?
Distro of Linux? Yeah, I'm actually running Kali right now. So what you saw on your screen is Kali. So I have Kali, I have Red Hat, I have CentOS, I have Ubuntu. Which one else? I think I have Parrot too, and one of them. But anyways, so yeah, so this is the layer approach. Let me see which one is
Fedora.
Oh yeah, I forgot that. Let me see.
Right, Booz? He could have just told them just to make life easier.
No, I mean there's more than what I've mentioned. There's way more than what I've mentioned.
What are we looking for?
The layer approach. Okay, this is good.
Okay.
Before TikTok.
I know. I'm just waiting for TikTok.
So yeah, so that is the hierarchy, right? So I don't think it's Cisco specific. I think everyone else uses it, right? So now you have the core layer, right? So the core layer, you have, I mean, it can be a layer 3 switch, right? So it's a router that performs switching task as well, right? So the core layer, most of the time, it's expensive routers and all that. And then now you have distribution layer. Right? So the distribution layer would be what? Would be where you connect to a different type of building or different type of rooms. And then now you have the access layer. So access layer will be where the end users will be connecting their
the store and tell also.
Their devices, right? So this will be an access layer, right? So now this is where the end user connects their devices, right? And then distribution layer is basically the layer that distributes the network to different floors, right? Or different buildings, right? So I hope that makes sense. So that's the 3-tier hierarchy: the core layer, the distribution layer, and an access layer. So this is the ideal way for structuring your network. So now if something happens to let's say distribution layer, right? And most of the time it's not just one device, right? Usually 2 or more devices, right? Depend on your your appetite level, right?
Appetite. I haven't heard that one in a while. Booz would like to know, do you have a home network lab? I know he knows you do.
Oh yeah, I do.
Is that the one behind me?
Yeah.
It's making a lot of noise.
I mean, and with this, what's the name? Virtual machines, you don't really need much stuff. But I have at least.
It's behind me. It's making quite a, and it makes it very hot in this room.
4 routers, probably 5.
Sounds like an airplane.
Did you hear it?
No, I don't think. Do you hear it? When it goes off, it's very nice, but it makes it very hot in this room. What is your favorite switch? Do you have a favorite switch?
I don't have any favorite switch.
He's not loyal.
No, I don't have any favorite switch. I mean, any lab specific switch that will perform the task that I want.
You switch. Okay, so what switch do you have currently?
I have the main one that I'm using is the Cisco small business. I've forgotten the actual model name. That is the actual.
That's the white one.
The main switch that I'm using.
Is that the net something? Netstat?
No. Oh, that's the firewall. Netgate.
Netgate.
Yeah. So hide this here. Where's Chrome? No.
But welcome in. We've been on for more than an hour, by the way.
Okay, right here. Okay, so let's do one more question.
Okay,
let's do one more question, and then.
Tomorrow 8:30 is Linux. I don't know if you were Atron, Cisco, etc. Oh, I don't know what Atron is, but I'm pretty sure he's a Cisco type of person. Oh, you've been in a few server rooms. You could tell. Wait, who said every network engineer dreams of a home lab? Yeah. Oh, so before are you gonna set up a home lab, or do you have one already? So our student in the chat. If so, what is it gonna look like? I don't know why I need a home. I don't know what it does. Like, it feels like you go to work and you come back with a home lab. Don't you have a lab at work?
I mean, Yeah, you're right, Miss Ford.
Yeah, electricity. Mm-hmm.
Next gen firewalls can also be used as switching as well. Yep, you're right. You're right.
Like, this is what I'm telling you. IT people are a special breed. You have one for work and the one to play at home. Why would you want to come home and play? With the same thing you play without work.
Not really, because remember, where you are and where you're going is two different things.
Oh,
right?
I clearly.
So now, so you might be a network administrator, right?
Mm-hmm.
However, you want to be a security administrator, right?
Okay.
So the company wouldn't allow you to play with their security stuff. So now it's up to you to build one at home and then all that.
So you don't get sued.
You wouldn't even have access, right?
Okay.
Principle of least privilege. But anyways.
Did you put the next question up?
Yeah, that's the last question for the day.
Okay. Booz is saying the Adtran is a locally switch manufactured in, is it Arkansas? Alabama, Huntsville, Alabama.
I haven't gotten the opportunity to use that.
Okay, sounds like it's a good one. I'm writing it down for you, so you could try it
I don't know
out.
what is good. Good is
I don't know. You just try it out and see. Maybe because it's built on home turf.
Yeah, and
you
I
get
think,
a discount.
Anyways, yeah. So that would be the last question for tonight.
Oh, Yabba is trying to get some switches from work. They are throwing up some away. You better get some. Would they give it to you here? They have some rules and regulations, but I'm not sure how it is in Belgium. But hopefully they'll give it to you. Okay. A client with a 2.4 gigahertz wireless network has stated that the entire office is experiencing intermittent issues with laptops after the WAP was moved. Which of the following is the most likely reason for these issues?
Mm-hmm.
But did y'all know that we didn't look into it, but AWS is doing agentic AI with micro-credential, which was told to us yesterday by I can't remember. Brainix. Oh, C. Oh, okay, so we have C. Excessive noise. Okay. Okay, what is that? I got Toshiba laptop for $40. And I'm running Linux on it. It runs like a champ. Really?
Shiba, Linux. Okay.
He's running Linux on it. Definitely. Okay, so we have CMD.
That works.
Really? Does it matter what laptop you run Linux on?
No, really. However, if you get a chance, get a server, right?
Get a server?
Yeah, because remember.
Is it expensive?
No. I mean, expensive is relative. But
we have to talk like here for like $1 million. When the millions come out, let you know, okay.
But with the set, remember on laptops, right? Usually you have if you get if you are lucky, right?
Mm-hmm.
You will get one Ethernet port, right? Which is open my laptop, but right, one Ethernet port, right, that you can use. But then with servers, right, you can have multiple Ethernet ports. So now you can create different virtual machines and then isolate each virtual machine to a different network. You can mimic routing a packet from one network to the next. Okay. Right? It gives you that option.
So which is why you're telling Yabba
to get a server.
Get a server. Yeah. Okay. Yabba if you can get a server if you don't have it already. Oh, okay. I just meant buy from your company because it's so cheap. Oh, okay. Most microwaves operate at a 2.4 gigahertz frequency. Okay, by the way, the majority said D. Oh, what? We had one C and D.
Yeah, the answer is D, microwave, right?
Okay.
So Yabify, right?
Yeah.
So any device that operates on 2.4 would interfere with Wi-Fi, right? Wi-Fi 2.4. So microwave,
home appliances.
telephone, handset.
People still have those?
Yeah, it operates on 2.4.
My parents still have them.
Operates on 2.4, right? So anything that operates on 2.4 would affect the signal, right? So that's why they have intermittent issue, right? So now anytime someone will turn on the microwave, guess what? The Wi-Fi will
interfered.
Will cut off, right? Okay. Once it's turned off, then what? It would Keep the microwave in the kitchen.
But you know,
I mean, he's the one in what's it?
Belgium.
Belgium. Oh, good for you guys.
Yeah. Janice is making.
But yeah.
Because the especially in New York, the houses, the apartments are like chicken coops. So the microwave is in the kitchen, but the living room is in the kitchen too.
But I mean, this is an office. It's an
like,
office.
oh, it's an office.
A client. No.
It didn't say office.
Okay,
oh,
yeah.
it says entire office.
Okay,
Office. Okay,
yeah.
so I digress. It's not.
But yeah, so most
So
departments have microwave right there.
Well, in my office, the microwave is right
it's
there,
right there.
actually.
Yeah,
it's an
you see
open
that a
space.
lot, yeah.
It's an open space concept.
Yeah.
It's
right there.
Yeah.
So yeah, true.
But I get what you're saying though. So the answer was
D, microwave.
Okay. And why is it network has excessive noise? Can you explain that?
Yeah, it's a vague of an answer. Right?
Okay.
What does excessive noise look like? Right.
Mm-hmm.
The network has excessive noise. Yeah, it's just a vague of an answer, or just a distraction.
Okay.
Yeah.
The system.
Yeah, I don't know what excessive noise.
Yeah,
is.
it was actually D. It was too good to be true.
Yeah, it is the microwave, right?
Boozy saying, I mean, the microwaves would be creating excessive noise. Oh, well, because the food is in there. And it's making noise.
Oh, and so is it literal noise or signal noise? Right, it's two different things. Yeah, signal noise, yeah.
They do make noise, though. And after it finishes, beep, 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 beep.
However, it wouldn't be a network that is making the noise. It would be the microwave, right?
Yeah, those distractions, they trick you to make the wrong choices. Yeah, and make you guess yourself. Yes, especially second guess yourself. But all right, that was the last question, right?
Yeah. That's
All
the
right.
last
So
question
tomorrow,
for today.
8:30 Eastern time, the Linux Plus. Please do join for Linux Plus, okay? Linux takes forever.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. We're like one question. We finished the whole hour with like 2 questions.
05.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Yeah, we're
Alright.
5. Let us know when you set up your home office, okay? We'll definitely like to see that up. Good night, good night, good night.
All right.
Thanks for joining. Full video will be on YouTube, okay?
Yes.
Enjoyable class.
All right.